Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. In this video, I was working for Airbnb in Wilmington. I cleaned the units, started from 2 units, and I quit the job in 2021 at the end of the year as 11 units. I would like to show you what I learned from cleaning. I learned to know the tools, supplies, which I didn't know many of them. Here I learned there are many different brand of cleaning spray, such as granite countertop, the stainless steel spray, the bleach, comet powder, comet powder, stainless steel sprays. At home, my husband got me the foam, spray with the foam, and here I learned that the spray as oil, little oil, and the oven cleaning liquid. Different too. At home, my husband has something different from these, and here something different from at home. So I learned. And also doesn't show in this video the liquid to clean stain, heavy stain. For example, not one time, I think several times I found the period spot on the sheet, and then I bring back to show the management and then he used that liquid stainer, put on that spot and leave for a while, and that helped easy get it off when washed, but I don't remember the name of that chemical. And also I like the vacuum machine he used and I use for him is the Dyson's wireless expensive one. It's very lightweight, easier carry because I need to put everything in the car and then drove to another location where it's not so far from another building. And the mop, the wet mop and dry mop, it is very easy and convenient using. Doesn't need to use water because the pad already wet, soaking with water in the box. Today is January 13, 2023. I start the first day cleaning this house again yesterday. The house which I cleaned for them for the very first house in 2011, hiring me to clean for them again. They provided many of the equipment or the tool. They provided many tools and supplies, spray, chemical. I learned a lot from this house at the very first time I do cleaning here. When I live in Thailand, I did cleaning just my place. I never do cleaning job at all. I do some other jobs, regular job using more brain. Need to think more than use my labor. And I didn't know much about the supplies, cleaning supplies. Yeah, I know. When we go to supermarket, we should see there are many of them on the shelf. But when we didn't use anything about cleaning, we do not go to that shelf, so I have no idea. This is what I learned from doing the cleaning job. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.